Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gyaani and in this series of videos I am solving Hackerrank Python challenges. So our today's challenge is itertools.permutations. First of all, a permutation of a set is an arrangement of its members into sequence or linear order, or if the set is already ordered, a arrangement of its elements. Okay, so here we have given a string s and our task is to print all the possible permutations of size k of the string in the lexicographic or sorted order. Lexicographic sorted order is nothing but a alphabetical order. Okay, so let's start coding. Here first let's take our input of string s and n. Okay, so is equals to input dot split. Okay, now let's iterate through a for loop, and first let's import our modules. So from itertools, import permutations. Okay, now let's iterate through a for loop to print our answer. So for I in list permutations. Now here we want our answers to be in a alphabetical order. So we are going to pass a list here of our string. So sorted s. Okay, because we want our answer in a alphabetical order. So we are going to pass our list of the elements in a string, and with that we have to pass the length, means size, which is n. Okay, so that now just joining that list, so using dot join and passing I here, comma, and is equals to backslash n, because I want every element of the list permutations on a new line. Okay, so let's run our code and see what we get. Our sample test case 0 is successfully run, so let's submit our code. Our all test cases is successfully run. If you like this video, then don't forget to click like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive our latest video updates. And if you want to see my source code, the link is in the description box below. Thank you.